Hello everyone, welcome back to Rebikit Foods. As usual, thank you so much for always tuning in. If I told you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing with my videos. So this Rebikit Foods is a YouTube channel which is dealing with African traditional recipes, modern, quick recipes, and travel and events. So for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always for returning back. And guys, today I'm back with this recipe, so keep tuned. The recipe that I'm going to do today is this is a chicken gizzard. I just want to make some simple recipe. I'm going to do it the simplest way. So the ingredients I have here, I have two large tomatoes which I've just diced, but I'm going to blend it so that I can have some stew, because I'm going to make my gizzard in stew. And then have garlic, I have ginger, I have red onions, and I have bicarbonate here, and I have tomato paste. So this bicarbonate, I'm going to use it just to wash. I'll just take a bit of it. So I'm going to use it just to wash. So the reason why we are using this bicarbonate first is to make it little bit tender, and secondly to get rid of that smell of the gizzard. So after doing this, I'll just keep it aside. It's like I'm marinating it. I'm going to keep it aside for about 30 minutes. So keep tuned. These are over, and now I'm going to wash away the bicarbonate. I'm going to take it off, and then now I'm going to boil it for 30 minutes. So keep tuned. So guys, I've washed my gizzards, and now before I boil them, I'm going to cut them. So you cut them into pieces. Guys, after cutting them, now I'm going to boil them so that they can be soft. And I know they're going to take time. They're going to take a little time because I've marinated them with using bicarbonate. So they'll take less than 30 minutes. So keep tuned. I've lit my pan. When it's boiling, I'm going to add in some onions and some ginger so that I can get a very nice heavy brown. So keep tuned. You can see the ginger has not been grated, so I just have it like that. And I will add some onions. Then you can also put some salt so that every salt can get inside. So guys, please watch this video until the end and try this style. You really love and enjoy your gizzard. Guys, back to my gizzard. So guys, you can see I did not add any little water in this, but it's just boiling using the water that I had used to wash it. So there's this mistake that many people do, that when they are boiling this, they add some water. If you add a lot of water when you're boiling it, it's like you are taking away the flavor of the gizzard. Let the gizzard boil itself without any water. So you can see now, guys, how it is. So I will just let it boil, continue boiling until this water drains out. So keep tuned. So back to my gizzard, guys, you can see it still has water. So at least this little water is just enough. What I'm going to do is now to take it out and make some paste from it. So at least I needed a broth. You can see I have some so little broth here, which will make it have that taste of gizzard. So when I'm preparing gizzard, please go this way. So keep tuned. Yes, I'm trying to get out the fat from this so that it can remain. So you can see it is that. I'll add my red onion. So there is red onion makes gizzard taste, gives a very, very, very nice taste. So make sure you use lots of onions. Remember when you are boiling it, you have used some onions, and now I'm trying to make a paste with onions, and lastly, it will have the aroma of the onion powder. So just keep tuned. Powder. This will give it a very, very, very nice aroma. And mix it well. So guys, remember we had some broth, little broth from the gizzard that will give at least the smell or the aroma of the gizzard. So we're going to add in here. So you see here. So remember it was spiced. Then now give it a good mix. Now it's gizzard in. Now, so if you are making gizzard stewed gizzard, this is when you make a paste like this. Guys, this is for stewed gizzard. So if you want to make it dry, there's a way that you can do it. You make it dry. You can make it juicy. That is by using onion and the rest. So guys, at this point now, I just cover it and let it cook. So keep tuned. Back to my gizzard stew, guys. You can see how my gizzard stew is. So guys, I'm going to serve it. You can serve it with anything starchy, macaroni, or anything else. So serve it now. So guys, if at all you are going to serve it with some ugali, you can serve it that is, you can serve it with some greens. But if you're serving it with things like macaroni or rice, you can serve it with some salad. So this is how, guys, I make my gizzard. So you can see it's looking so nice and tasty. Make sure. Guys, it is so nice. Please kindly watch this video until the end. Share as much as you can, and also try it out and thank me later. So let's meet in another video. Bye bye.